Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gamble Smarter. Thank you for joining us today. Hopefully you like the session. Today best splash as always the favorite game for me. Let's try and find a bonus. Let's see if we can make profit out of this session. The balance is very low, but we will try and find a bonus before we complete our fourth plan. We have the first chance of getting a bonus. We miss one scatter, but we still have second chance. Let's say, I hope we find a bonus there. We miss, so it was our second spin. Oh, the third one, still got another chance. Yeah, we find the bonus 97, and we find our first bonus, which is worth 60 rand. Hopefully it pays. It's more fishermen. Last time we got all the additional, but the bonus was not good. We're starting from level 2, which is good. Can we get extra spin? Yes, for extra spin. Yeah, we got 3 of these additional today. Hopefully because even if I can put 150, if my balance go to let me say 200 or let's say 200, man, those numbers are not good, but we'll take the 24 run. Take the 24 run, which is also add to our balance. Can you get one more? Oh. Got so many strategies here. My strategy is that we play low and we maintain the balance. We don't go crazy, we just maintain. 531 for our first bonus on this 100 spin. So I'll take a decision, let's complete the full 100 spin. Maybe we still got another bonus which can take us up. Come on, can you get another one? We nearly got another bonus here. First 100, first 10 one. Guys, what do you think of this game? What is your take? Is it worth playing? Do you like the slot? Have you win anything? You see what? Guys, so 260 to our balance. I will take it. So today, guys, it's my big day and I'm enjoying every moment of this game. That's why I wanna complete this 100 spin. We got the big chance of getting another bonus here. Come on, listen. Alright, we've got the 2 more chances. I pray we got the bonus. We missed the first one. Can you get it here? We got the bonus. 75 spin, we got another bonus. The second bonus to our 100 spin. Hopefully it paid as the first one. More fish. Can you get another? Can you get the extra spin? I like the extra spin. Yes. I don't care about anything now. Yeah. If we got the extra spin, at least fish or a fisherman potentially to pay. I know if you didn't get the level 2 up, usually it can give you the fisherman for the first 12 spin. Come on, give me big numbers. I like the bazooka. Okay, 3 please. We'll have those kind of bonus like this one, which is not bad. We're taking it out of the way. Let's hope we get another bonus. Surely it will pay like the first one. Another chance getting the bonus. What I like about this game is not hard to spin into a bonus, but what I don't like, during the base game it doesn't maintain the balance. If you don't get a bonus, you got ciao. Come on, can you get another one? Alright, we missed that one. Guys, we are back with a bang. Let's bang the money. Before we play this game, we went to Medium testing the original version, which really was not a good session. And we play until our balance, it was 40 rand. We take the balance straight up to this game and see the balance now. I think you see it on your screen. Come on, can you get another one? That's 40 spin. Anything there. Don't wanna cancel the session while it's still paying. Maybe I must leave the maximum win at my 100 spin session. So let's complete the 100 and see if we can still grab it. We miss another feature here, which was only one scatter to go. Big win and run. Everything into our balance. I am taking it with appreciation and smile on the face. get one last bonus. Missed that one. Okay, that's no problem. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. The video was so exciting. We got the first bonus within the 10 spin and was so exciting because we end up in this huge balance. Hopefully you like the video guys. There's no way that you cannot like this one. Thank you. It's your boy Gambling Smart. Hopefully you also enjoying this lot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. There are more videos like this to be posted every day. If you like the content guys, show the appreciation, write the comment, like the video, subscribe, tell their friends to watch the video, share it on your Facebook page or account, share it on WhatsApp. I will really appreciate it. Hopefully we engage on comment and talk, because so far so good. I really appreciate your support guys, and thank you for watching the video. Bye, see you next time.